here at this amazing place called Natwat Cafe. It's a locals kind of spot. I found it on my sandwich connoisseur message board for Chiang Mai. They're known for their coffee though, as well as the food. So what we have here is we have a snowball or snowdrop, which is a cold brew coffee with cold foam dropped in. And then you ordered a coconut ice cream affogato.
I didn't realize it.
You didn't realize you were ordering ice cream, but I guess you gotta go with it, Jill.
That's what I wanted.
No, too bad. We'll share them both. It's okay. Oh, you're trying to swap now, huh? All right, all right. Jill, I just tried this. You got the wrong thing, but taste it.
Okay.
Just have a spoon. You're going to be blown away. That coffee is to die for. It's so strong and deep.
Oh, it's actually really balanced.
Really balanced. The coffee is super strong.
And the coconut's light. Oh, wow. Ooh.
It's some hardcore coffee, right? It's strong coffee. And I haven't tried this yet.
Let's see what happens. All right.
Ooh, cold brew. Cold brew with cold foam. I never even heard of that.
How does that guy?
Oh,
Is it
that's
good?
super delicate. It's like vanilla.
See, that's what I wanted.
Oh wow, they take their coffee serious here, man.
Yeah, they do. Way more fancy than anything in Sanford.
Oh, the foam is like magical. It's
All
super
right.
silky.
And I'm taking that one.
Oh wow.
Okay.
It needs a little more coffee. But it's
Yeah,
really
it looked like it. But, well, you can mix them.
good. Should.
Maybe.
Yeah, let's mix
That's a
them.
good idea. Let's just mix them. Ah, mix them! Mix them! Cool.
Oh wow.
Oh, that looks great. Okay, that looks like that's actually making it better.
Better color.
Better colored.
It was so. Oh whoa.
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 Now we're good?
That's crazy.
Now we're in business?
This
All
is
right.
Freaking dessert.
I'm going to enjoy this now. Bon appetits, guys.
Bon appetits. Still delish. And look at this place. Super cute, right on the main road. Kind of a local spot.
By the river?
Right by the river. Yeah, we rode the motorbike along the river the whole way here. I just figured out that the affogato with coconut ice cream had a dried blueberry and some dried caramel, or not dried, but caramel popcorn in it. So they don't mess around here. They take things very seriously with their coffee. And now the reason I came here, I saw this on my sandwich message board. This is the grilled brisket cheese sandwich.
Oh, yeah.
Here you go, Joel. I'll let you do the honors and have a first bite there. Look at how magical that looks.
I feel super honored.
You should.
Thanks. Brisket is your thing.
Yeah, it's hard to find brisket. One of the chefs that's local told us he won't serve brisket because he can't find the right meat to make it.
Oh, yeah.
How's that taste there?
Taste brisket.
Taste briskety? Is it oily and good?
And like the perfect grilled cheese.
It does look like the perfect grilled cheese. Oh yeah,
That's really good.
it's excellent.
Yeah.
Wow. All right, check that one off the box. So in the salad here, there's some apples. It's a nice balsamic vinaigrette. Beautiful. All the produce here is local. Local tomatoes, local apples. And now look what Jill's got.
We got poached eggs over spinach and broccoli, zucchini.
Mushrooms.
We got lotus root, mushrooms, and avocado.
And what is that right there? What's that little guy? Is that a mushroom or it's a
Also,
zucchini?
Zucchini, broccoli.
And then look at those poached eggs cut into one of those bad boys.
Let's do it.
Those look perfect.
Let's do this one right here. Oh, beautiful.
That's magical. And I see a little dill shave in there. Oh, that looks great.
Enjoy that one.
Doing it up in Chiang Mai. Doing it up in Chiang Mai.
Very solid.
Perfect egg.
Perfect day.
That looks amazing and healthy.
Oh, yeah. Really good. Oh.
All right. Bon appetits. Oh yeah, I forgot that this is about $6 for this whole sandwich and salad. And that was about $5.50
Yeah.
for
Pesto and
culinary magic.